With today's Health Minute, I'm Reed Binion.
Dave Aguilera joining us now. Dave, they had the oboe underneath there. That's, of course, the musical sign for sadness.
Sadness? I was just relaxed.
Yeah, this is very chill.
I'll tell you what. Hey, look at this fog we have. This is Lookout Mountain looking back towards the city, and typically at altitude, when you look through it, it looks a little thicker, but it's pretty thick all around the Platte River Valley and the Denver metro area here. Then you go up to the Evergreen Parkway up there near Genesee. It's smooth sailing here. It's cloudy, but not much in the way of fog going on at all. Take a look at the visibility now out at DIA in Commerce City, Westminster, Wheat Ridge, close to a tenth of a mile visibility. That's it. Very thick in a lot of locations out there this morning. And even statewide, a couple of other pockets. Cheyenne, just over a quarter mile there. You can see it thick down through Yuma and Burlington. And also Alamosa down there in the San Luis Valley. A little fog settling into the valley down there with cold, moist air that we have this morning. Now, on the satellite, overnight, we had a couple of thunderstorms mixed in with the low clouds and fog up here in northeastern Colorado. Several waves going through, and you could see that about 3 o'clock in the morning. A whole bunch of lightning going through just outside of Sterling, and they had a tornado touchdown outside of Sterling. A lot of crop damage reported out there from the big storm that blew through there yesterday. All right, let's show you what's happening as far as temperature-wise this morning. 53 in Lyman, 57 at DIA, 45 in Aspen, and it's 64 in Grand Junction. And a lot of reports of rain yesterday around the Denver metro area, anywhere from a trace to about a tenth of an inch from some of the rain that caused a Rockies delay last evening. But out here in the eastern plains, man, they got walloped. Eric in Eckley had over an inch and a half, as did Nancy Rockwell west of Ray, over an inch and a half of rain in a very short period of time. And in Lake George down there in Park County, 1 inch from Michael Heritage there. So the fog this morning will burn off about 9 or 10 o'clock, much like yesterday, and a repeat performance really with thunderstorms firing up in the mountains and up into Wyoming and then pulling out across the eastern plains. That's at 5 o'clock. Most of the bigger thunderstorms again will be out here just east of the Denver metro area, but as we look at the outlook, we are included in a marginal to slight chance of hailstorms here, and I think in the yellow shaded area there's a potential of large hail, 70 to 80 mile per hour winds, and 1 or 2 isolated tornadoes. And by large hail, we're talking maybe golf ball to baseball size hail out of some of those storms out there in the plains today. High temperatures today, a lot of 70s and 80s showing up on the weather map, including Denver. In Cheyenne for Frontier Day, it's going to be a little cooler, about 71 degrees up there, and a real good chance of thunderstorms this afternoon that we have to watch out for. So 80 today, 77 tomorrow, more storms, but Joel on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, a little bit drier with a drying trend coming our way, and temperatures staying in the 80s. After Thursday, I don't even want to show it to you, but we might get back to the 90s next weekend.
Ah, nice hot weekend. You know, we've had this string of days where we've had moisture every day.
It's been good moisture if we could just not have heavy rain and not have hail and not have tornadoes, but this time of year, that's what you get.
Yeah, you take what you get.
Oh,
Thank you, Dave. Keeping a pet can be costly unless you're lucky enough to have one that pays the bill.